Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to get into a meeting using Zoom. So there are two ways that you can get into the meeting. The first way is to go to zoom.us and you're going to want to sign up for an account. When you click on the link that I sent you, it will automatically bring you into the meeting if you have an account. And so that should be no problem. But there are two ways to get into a meeting. You can sign in with your account in Zoom. And I always use Google to sign in. And it's a little bit slow this morning. Must know I'm doing a screencast. And then this is how you would get into your account. The other way that you can get into, and then you can hit join a meeting, and then you would put the link that I sent you right there and hit join. The other way that you can do it, if you have downloaded the application onto your computer or iPad, you can click on this down here. It will bring up here this box. That's because I have the application, and I would hit join. And then you would put the link that I sent you there. Once you're in the meeting, and I'll start a new meeting. Good morning. I'm going to stop the video. You hit join with computer audio to make sure that I have your sound. And if you can see there, I will be able to hear you if you're asking questions in the meeting. And then you can have, there's a default icon of like the first letter of your first name that will go there. I put a picture there, but you could also click start video if you want me to be able to see you. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.